Look where we started.
That was my first one.
Was it? I don't even have it in order, but I have literally.
BTR merch, worldwide
This is
merch.
the worldwide. This is
The Beamer Club.
then you got another GTR.
Zilla Club.
And you got the garage. That's mine. But this is yours. Then this one. And then
This is literally every single drop.
every single one. And then this one's inside out though. This is I think your 36 and E90.
That's the first merch.
And that.
Damn.
I can rock that right now, brother.
Damn, guys, look at the new camera setup. If you guys haven't watched the last video, we got a new vlog camera and it actually looks pretty freaking sick. This is my first time using it at night, so hopefully it's good quality. I hope. It looks pretty good right now. Anyways, we made it out here to this scary ass parking structure. Looks like some zombies are about to pop out or something. What's up, guys? They watch another video. We got the GTR out here and we also got the mask, finally, masks. If you guys remember, about a month ago, the homie Jay was wearing one of these Pooh Shicey masks. And I said in my vlog as a joke, I was like, should we make some FindingNick ones with the FindingNick logo? And a lot of you guys said yes. A lot of you guys. So we finally got some in production. I made a bunch of them before I even made these ones. But I think these are the final ones. And I'm so excited for you guys to grab them. Look, Hugo actually has them on right now. Damn, they actually look fire, bro.
Yeah.
We're gonna look like some shooters out here. But they look fire, guys. So imagine the whole squad wearing these FindingNick masks. What we did, we had some, if you guys seen like the last vlog, I hinted them in the vlog, and we had like the original FindingNick logo, but this time, we got this one now. It's kind of like a little, I don't know, looks more crazy, you know? Looks kind of like a face tag or something.
Yeah, it looks sick.
Logo in like here, on the top, everywhere, but I like it right here. I think this is like the final design,
Yeah,
and they look fire.
You have a hat on, you have a beanie on, you have anything on, you see the logo.
You can still see the logo. So yes, I think these are the final designs. We even tried different masks. So I think these are the ones that we're gonna go with. All right, right now we're about to have a little photo shoot, video shoot with them so we can promote them on Instagram and stuff like that. And hopefully this video comes out fire. You guys will see it on my Instagram.
Like Goyard J.
Oh yeah, they wrote all over my car the other day, bro. Look at Goyard J. What else did they write, bro? Where's Nick? Finding... They wrote all over it, bro. Right here it says, hi, mom. I think somewhere right here they wrote all over it, hot moms. My friends wrote all over my car, bro. And guys, check this out, which we're probably gonna have to figure out in tomorrow's vlog, or maybe it'll be this vlog, I don't know, but look at, my car's on wires, bro. It looks worse in some other spots. Look how bad, guys. It's literally on wires, dude, and these tires are not cheap. I already got a quote for like $1,600 for some new tires, which is honestly a good price for Mickey Thompson's, but that's $1,500, bro. $1,600, my bad. And I don't feel like spending $1,600. We just bought this new camera. Now I gotta buy new tires.
Hot mom?
I'm gonna be broke this month.
I'm telling you.
We're gonna be eating McDonald's every day.
Then me, I gotta do my headlights.
We spending too much money. So go cop the mask, bro. All right, let's do a little photo shoot real quick. Bro, they look fire. Look at this shit, guys. I think it looks crazy. I like the logo too. The other one was way too basic. I think I have it right here. It was just like the original FN logo. So this kind of just looks like the more crazier looking one. Kind of like a face tat or something. I don't know. I think it looks hard though. It definitely fits the ski mask vibe.
Yeah, that's what it is.
That looks like race car vibes. This looks like we gonna hit a lick.
Friendly.
Yeah, too friendly. We don't want to look friendly out. You want to look like some shooters, bro. Just be careful when you wear these masks, guys, okay? Because they look a little gang related.
Yeah, they do. So if you go to car meets and stuff and you wear them, I mean,
I think it'll be fun at a car meet. But yeah, I'm excited to see you guys rocking these masks. I think they're pretty sick. Definitely fire if you want to go somewhere like low key. You don't want people to see your face.
Or if you go snowboarding.
Or snowboarding.
Right, so
Places that it's cold. That honestly keeps your face really, really warm too. I'm not gonna lie. It's cold out and it's low key keeping my face warm. It's sick. I'm hyped. I'm excited. And
go cop
they're
some.
sick. Yeah, go cop them. I think I'm gonna drop them on Monday, guys. I don't know when this video's coming out, but on Monday I think we're gonna drop the mask. You can blow them like this if you want. Whatever you want. They're fire. I think they're sick and they're super lightweight.
gotta wear it with like a beanie or
They look sick with the hat on, bro. I look crazy with this chain and the tats. You guys gonna be watching my vlogs like, damn, who am I watching right now, bro? So go cop them, guys, before they're gone. New FN Pooch Icy mask. Ski mask, whatever you guys want to call them. Hit a lick mask.
I'm not hitting no licks with these masks.
Look who it is.
Finally showed up. Niggas on nigga time right now. What's up, nigga? Like, shit.
Bro, Nico's so funny, bro.
Hey, hold on.
I got that new
Josh?
camera.
I got the new camera
like
finally.
that.
Oh, he big one.
You like it? What's up,
I
Kicks?
missed you. You missed me? Yes, I missed you. I missed both of y'all.
You miss me?
I missed you a lot.
What do you miss more, me or Hugo?
Both of y'all at the same time, bro. Like, what you mean?
I have to drink Celsius to get energy. Nico just wakes up with the energy, bro.
Well, no, I had a monster.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I'm
I see why.
Hey, I'm on go today. You feel me? Where they go?
Damn, it's cold out today.
You like that?
We got the Lambo here, we got the Z. Sheesh. You already fixed it?
Oh no, I stole the hood from the 50.
Oh.
I was like, fuck it, that.
Damn, this shit's so sick. Bro, the Z looks so good, bro. This shit is
It's not
fire.
perfect, but
It's perfect,
perfect
bro.
to me.
This shit's so crazy. Look at Nico.
Hide your girl, hide your mom. I'm missing.
That was tripping.
This guy's stealing it.
But look at they wrote all over my car, bro.
That one.
What if Nico crashes my car right now?
Hey,
Hits me and then my car hits his.
Bro, imagine. Bro, be careful, bro.
That'll be all bad.
Which one are you guys taking, guys? The Lambo, the Z, or the GTR? It's kind of a hard choice, huh? You want a Lambo because it's a supercar. You want the Z if you want it fast. GTR's alright.
hey, don't talk shit on that car. I love it.
But they're all sick.
Look at my son pulling up.
Oh, Freshhkiicks.
Baby Kicks.
It's so crazy that that is the same car as this.
You went straight in.
Our bumper look like that.
I've never been in this car. Maybe Kicks will give me a ride right now, but that shit's sick. I've never been in it. It's crazy, huh? All the times we...
Fast if you think it's fast.
Nah, that shit is fast, bro. But it's like a single turbo 350Z. You guys all know this car. Makes like 1,500 horsepower. I've literally been just filming everything because I'm obsessed with this camera quality right now. Like, it just looks so sick. Comment down below, guys. How are you guys liking the new camera quality? I think it's fire. It looks super sick. It's super wide. Hopefully the quality is good. If you guys are enjoying the vlog right now, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. What?
I'm saying that everybody that has a Z for sure wants it to look like this.
I know.
Like-
I mean, I wish mine looked like that.
Like that. Like
Man,
that's
no fake.
that's what they
That's
want
what
it
I
to
was
look like.
thinking. Like, I feel like if I bought a Z, I'd be too lazy to get to this point.
That's where I'm at right now. That's why I'm trying to get rid of it. Crazy too that the Z will beat both these cars.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
They'll beat the Lambo and the GTR. Sick ass food. You can hear the turbo spool, look. Damn. That shit
What if
crazy.
he just ran that right in your face?
Just two-stepped in my face. You think you can get out?
That sounds insane.
It sounds fast, huh? Almost hit my car. Hit the GTR, please, bro. Josh is gonna be so scared in that car, bro. Josh is gonna be scared.
You're gonna be scared. You'll be like, I want one now. I want one.
It doesn't make like crazy over 1,000 horsepower. It still feels crazy in that little car.
Yeah, it's just so little.
It's so small. It's so like raw and a little
Everything,
Z.
bro.
Yeah, since the car's so small.
Rear wheel drive,
that
all
power
that.
on that small car, bro.
And stick shift, bro. It probably feels crazy driving
Yeah.
that car.
Bro, you
That shit would be.
That move sounds like it's automatic, bro.
Yeah, that's-
He shifts fast.
Bro, that's fast. I'm struggling to take the seatbelt out.
Just pop it like all the way north.
All right, guys. Now we're about to go on the Z. My first time. Oh. Damn, this seat's crazy.
Oh yeah, it says high because
The bracket?
yeah, the bracket.
What the? Oh, we got a spaceship.
I got more over here too.
All the switches? Hella switches. I don't know how to do this. Loud ass fuel pump. This is full on race car, bro.
It's like to the point to where it's still a street car, but it's almost full race car.
At least it's not gutted.
Yeah, fuck that. I can't drive a good car, bro. It's just annoying. You hear everything.
I know.
All the rocks and shit.
You took the cage out, huh?
Yeah, should have me sitting like this.
It's too far. Shit's so sick. That shit is fast, dude. I haven't been in a fast shit, it pulls. All the turbo noises too?
All the turbo noises.
This is fire. The driver mod too. The first DCT-Z.
Bought it on AutoZone.
Oh. Stupid fast. How do you shift so fast, bro?
I was born with it.
It's in his blood. But that shit is sick.
Fucking fun.
I want one now.
I can't trade it for nothing, bro. Like I've driven so many cars and like none of them is
I know.
Fun,
that shit is fun, especially stick shift.
yeah, it's really like the stick that makes it.
It's so sick.
This is auto. It'd be like it'd be fun still, but I don't know if it had a sequential though. That'd be pretty sick.
Oh, that would be crazy. You could probably do it, no?
Yeah, with a lot of this. I think my ending like goal with this car will be like maybe all-wheel drive, sequential.
What the fuck? That'd be
and a
crazy.
fucking VR38 motor,
GTR motor? That would be sick, huh?
like 1,000 horsepower, all-wheel drive.
You should do that with the same body and everything.
Crazy.
Same shell. What do you guys think? Should he GTR swap it? All-wheel
It's a
drive?
lot, bro. The fucking the ECU is 10 grand.
Oh my god. Oh, I got like a cramp, bro. What the fuck?
Boost got you cramping.
Sick though. Look at all those switches, guys. Full on race car. And the fuel pump. Is this like the number it is?
Oh yeah.
Number
It's all
207?
fucking scratch. It's like so hard to get like a replacement.
They're all numbered?
Yeah. It's only 16, 13 minutes.
What the?
I don't know how many is left. Price of crashes and shit.
God damn, that's the best part, bro. It sounds so crazy too every time we're on the freeway. Oh my.
Like a horny fucking chicken. Horny turkey.
This shit is fast though, guys. I've never been in this car, but it's sick. That shit is fun.
It's down on power right now too. Cause
No
that's
way.
boost drop, yeah.
So it should be
It
faster.
doesn't hold the boost up top.
Shit.
It should be a
What are all those?
on the fans and the gauge. Yeah,
crazy.
it should be on 30 pounds. It peaks, but it drops to like 22.
Nah, that shit's still fast, bro. I found it.
Oh, you did? Sheesh, my boy.
First time in the Z. Now we gotta go on this slow shit.
Don't film this. I'm gonna ask him a question.
What?
Don't film this. Don't
Why?
film it. Don't film it.
What question?
No, don't.
He could edit it.
Nigga. Okay, Corey. So we were talking about.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.